Hello and welcome. I hope this video finds you happy, healthy, and safe. If you're new here, my name is Rhonda with Rhonda's Craft Frenzy. I'm so happy that you stopped by. If you like what you see, consider subscribing to my channel. That would be awesome. Hit that thumbs up button too if you like what you see. So today I'm going to continue on with my farmhouse home decor. I hope you love what you see and it inspires you to do one of your own, to match your own home decor. So without further ado, I'll beat you to the craft table. For my first one, I picked up a bowl and a plate from Walmart because I got them for 94 cents rather than $1.25 at Dollar Tree. And I pulled the labels off and I glued them together using hot glue and E6000. Then I let them dry completely. I didn't want them falling apart with the weight of what I had in mind next. And then I took patching plaster. You could use caulking, and there's all kinds of other things you can use. But my caulking was all dried up, which was weird because it wasn't even open. But anyways, I spread it all over the base and the top part, everything but the inside of my bowl. And for that inside, I used Rust-Oleum linen colored chalk paint. And I let it sit overnight to dry to be sure the entire piece was dry. And the next day it was all set up and I used elephant chalk paint and I just dabbed it all over the piece and continued to lighten that gray as needed on top until I thought it looked like cement. And that was it. I love how this rustic piece came out. For DIY number 2, I picked up a tag from the Dollar General and I painted it with moss green from Waverly's chalk paint line. After it dried, I set the letters Hello Spring on top. They were just sticker letters that I got from Dollar Tree. Use whatever you want, whatever color that matches your own home decor here. And then I went over it in a dry brushing technique just to weather it a little bit with white. You'll also notice that I added some beaded stickers across the top as well. Totally optional. I just thought it gave it a little bit more interest. And once that paint was dry, I just pulled those stickers off using this tool that I found at Dollar Tree. I'm not even sure what it was called. I had it for a long time and it worked perfect for this. It still looked a little bit plain for me, and I found these cute little wooden letters in my stash. I don't know where I got them from, but I like them. I cut burlap ribbon in 2 different colors and a cute Easter ribbon as well. All came from Dollar Tree. I laid a coat of Mod Podge over the flower, put the ribbon down and added another really thick coat to seal it. Then I let them dry, and I cut around the edges just to get that excess off. And now it was time to put them together. I added a cute green button to the center of the flower, then I hot glued that on top of the sign. Lastly, I added a jute hanger to the top, leaving a knot on the front side, and it was done. Super cute, and I hope you like it and it inspires you to do one of your own. And my third one is the easiest one yet. I started out with 3 Easter eggs from Dollar Tree. I put a coat of Mod Podge on them and let them dry. And then I added several coats of white chalk paint. The last thing I did was I added elephant chalk paint. I used the same dabbing technique that I used on my first one with that cement looking stand. I think these eggs came out so awesome. I love them, and I hope you all do too. Thank you so much for watching till the end. I appreciate you spending your time here with me, and I hope you found some inspiration in my video. Please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you saw something you like, hit that thumbs up button. Don't be shy with those comments. I hope to see you next time, and until then, keep those glue guns at the ready.